Right back we go, doing some videos today. It is Monday, March 8th, 135 in the market. NASDAQ minus 94, Dow Jones plus 610, S&P plus 30. Been over some different stocks. A lot of these stocks have been really hammered, these small caps. Let's look at OGI, 231 million float, 15% institutional ownership, 622 million market cap. And what do they do? Verdes sells cannabis dry products in Canada, oils, flowers, extracts, beverages, etc. All right, so this one's been on a long run. After this down move to two, back and forth to levels this year. One came back up 175 all the way to 625, and then that was look at this candle. That is a massive candle. That took out like $4. Then we came back, tried to bounce, tried to bounce again. Nope. We're very oversold now. 21.18. Could this be the bottom? It's getting close. It looks like you have a 238 hammer candle here. To me, the stop really is two. If we get a two, that'll be extraordinary move from here to here, and that could be a really solid support resistance level, buy level. So if this comes down here, we could come back up. Right now, test that three. If we do get a strong move here, trying to see here, three. These big candles up here, this 425 level could be important. Important level to reach, and that could be a spot where this could go to. So we're still going down. See the volume now? Lower volume. Look at this, higher volume. So it's pulling back very strong, but it doesn't mean this moves over. We can continue high, but this could take a few weeks. We'll see how this works out. AHT. Float 61 million, 22% institutional ownership, 184 million market cap. It's a hospitality real estate investment trust REIT, and full investing in predominantly upper upscale and full service hotels. So after this big rundown, this went back and forth, and then this made a nice move. You can see the low here, this 225 level, when we moved all the way to four. And we bounced again pretty close to that level. Now we're trying to go up again. Now look at this. You're oversold again, 1804. It's trying to push its way back up. This is a clear channel between this 450 and this 225 level. Back and forth, back and forth. So, I think eventually we'll test around this 4 to 450 again. Not sure how long it'll take, but you can see the clear channel. So this is very clearly to see. And it's a matter of time, hold it. Could be a week, maybe a few weeks on AHT. JX. This is a 65 million float. Insiders own 8%, institutions 5.9%, 196 million market cap. And they focus on gastrointestinal products for human prescription use in animals worldwide. Now, this has been on a tear. When this one, not lately, but I mean, this went to 50 to 1, all the way to 425 plus. Look at that. And then it's formed a triangle. This is a descending triangle where the high gets lower and the low holds, or it doesn't hold and went down. And it really went down. Now, this found the low 132, 135. Then look at this move today. Big move. Is there news today? I don't see news. So this is what happens too when you drop down so far, and a nice bounce, oversold right now. Still plenty of room to the upside. I could see this easily getting to 3 plus, 325 plus on this. Yeah, this is the strong move. You had the move pre-market right over this 180. Excuse me. Look at these tails here. This is you're trying to make a 10-cent line right here. Came up and see. Look at these subtle moves. When you see this and bounce right back up above the 1320 EMA, it's very strong. That's 174, bounced right up. When you see that, you have a strong buy. Again, look at it. It's touching, bounced up. And then this one to 245. So Yeah, how you're playing this too, you could do pre-market. You could draw a line right here if it gets over that. It's very strong. It's bullish. And the thing too is on these, don't let these tails stop you out. When you see it move up like this, then it's right at this top line. Like on this candle, then the next candle went all the way down. So that's a tough move because you're buying here, and then you see that because it opened at 179. So it's a tougher move on the 10 minute. 10 minute, you're playing line to line. So up here, if you're playing this line, but it went all the way back, you can always play the bottom line. See if you miss, then you can get to the next line. 3 minute, then up here. See, this one came back to 175. You saw this line. Are you going to play this line, or? But when you see this, then you're playing that line. There's a few ways you can look at it. Get hungry. So, let's try to see here. Move up, move up. 185. 185. What's that? 60. 1200. Yeah, 2,000 shares. It's 1,200. Nice day. Anywhere five. That's why I put on my videos 500 to 2,000. Yeah, because you're playing any kind of trade, most likely they'll make within that range. So again, once this goes over too, you see this, you look where you're at right here, and then even if you want to like leave it a little bit of room here, a little bit of time, see what it does. What's it doing here? Next move, it tried to go up. You see a hammer. You see it building, a move here. You see it building a case for the long side. The low keeps getting higher. Take it step by step. And that's why you don't have to go in right away when it opens. Like, see what it does. See what the pattern is. Is it going straight up momentum? Is it sort of grinding up? And I don't see news, so that could have been a problem. But people were all over this. So it was a solid move here. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments, questions. Always good. Appreciate it. Subscribe. That'll help. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. What else they got? Twitter, or not Twitter. TikTok, Mike Frank. All right, that's it. Peace.